In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix MLB The Show online not working. Let's get started. First, check the server status of MLB. For that, launch your preferred browser. Type in MLB server status and search for it. Navigate to the website Down Detector. Now, if you found out any outages over here, you'll need to wait until the problem will be restored from the end. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection, or you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Or also you can give a fresh restart to your router. Next, check for app update. Navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for MLB Show. Once app appears, if you see the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next, check for your device software update. So on settings, go to general, go to software update. If any updates are available, just update it. Next up, head back. Go to VPN and device management. Make sure you are not connected to any VPN. In case you are connected, disable it. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be good to go. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.